Coinstats is a powerful portfolio tracker for crypto enthusiasts who want to stay on top of their investments with minimal hassle. Whether you're tracking Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the 20,000 plus cryptocurrencies out there, this platform brings everything into one place. What sets Coinstats apart is its ability to connect with over 300 wallets and exchanges, making it the go-to tool for anyone juggling assets across multiple platforms. With the ability to track everything from DeFi protocols to crypto wallets, Coinstats offers comprehensive management, allowing users to keep their entire portfolio in check without switching between apps or websites. One of the key features is the in-depth analytics that Coinstats provides. You can get detailed profit and loss reports for various time frames, daily, weekly, or even cumulative, so you can make data-driven decisions about your investments. This is perfect for anyone who wants to stay on top of how their portfolio is performing. Coinstats also lets you set up custom alerts for price movements, trading volume, and even coin market caps, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. For those who are looking to make swaps, the platform allows you to exchange cryptocurrencies within the app, saving you the hassle of bouncing between different exchanges. However, there are some downsides to consider. While the free version of Coinstats offers a lot of useful features, the premium subscription, which costs $13.99 per month after a free trial, is required for more advanced features like unlimited connected wallets, deeper portfolio analytics, and additional alerts. For casual users, this might not be worth the cost, especially if you don't manage a large number of transactions or wallets. But for power users who trade regularly or manage substantial portfolios, the premium plan can offer excellent value, especially with features like auto alerts for significant price changes and a more detailed view of your trades. The app's security also deserves mention. Coinstats is non-custodial, meaning you always have control of your private keys, and it uses strong encryption to keep your data safe. With tax season always looming, Coinstats makes it easy to generate tax reports for your crypto earnings, which is a huge relief for anyone who needs to stay compliant without the stress of manual calculations. In summary, Coinstats is an incredibly useful tool for anyone serious about managing their crypto portfolio. Its ability to consolidate all your wallets and exchanges in one app makes it super convenient, and the insights it provides can help you make smarter, data-driven investment decisions. However, the premium version may be overkill for someone just starting out or with smaller investments. If you're looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-use crypto portfolio manager with excellent tracking and analysis, Coinstats is definitely worth checking out.